Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder on PC with keyboard and mouse. First, make sure your keyboard and mouse are securely connected to your computer. Once in the game, head straight to the control settings. For aircraft, you'll want to select Mouse Aim as your control preset. This is crucial for intuitive flight. Take a moment to fine-tune your mouse sensitivity. A setting between 50 and 70% often works well for new players, allowing for both quick turns and precise adjustments. Mastering movement is key. For ground vehicles, W, A, S, and D control forward, left, reverse, and right. In aircraft, W and S manage pitch, while in D handle roll. Your mouse directly controls where you aim and look. Remember to hold down the C key for free look, letting you survey your surroundings without altering your vehicle's path. The mouse wheel is perfect for zooming in on distant targets or pulling back for a wider view. When it's time to engage, your left mouse button fires your main guns. For secondary weapons, like missiles or torpedoes, a quick right-click will do the trick. If you're flying, the spacebar is your go-to for dropping bombs or launching rockets. To focus on an enemy, simply press the F key to target them, giving you crucial information and a clear aiming point. Practice these actions to become a formidable opponent. As you gain experience, delve into advanced controls. Experiment with keybinds for flaps, landing gear, and engine management to gain an edge. War Thunder offers extensive customization, so don't hesitate to rebind keys for a more comfortable and efficient setup. Many players find unique layouts for different vehicle types. Remember, consistent practice in custom battles will significantly improve your precision and reaction time, making you a true ace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.